In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a file to PDF. Turning documents, images, or even web pages into a PDF is quick, reliable, and works on almost any device. The best part is you usually don't need to install anything. The tools are already built in. Let's start on a Windows computer. Open the file you want to convert. This could be a Word document, a photo, a spreadsheet, or a page you have open in your browser. Press Ctrl+P to open the print dialog. In the printer list, choose Microsoft Print to PDF, then click Print. Instead of sending anything to a physical printer, Windows will ask where to save the PDF. Pick a folder, give the file a name you'll recognize, and click Save. That's it, you've created a PDF. This method works in most apps, and you can usually adjust options like page range, orientation, or margins before you save if you need to fine-tune the output. If you're already working in Microsoft Word or Google Docs, there's an even more direct option. In Word, go to File, then Save As, and choose PDF as the file type. In Google Docs, go to File, then Download, and select PDF document. These built-in export options are great when you want to preserve headings, hyperlinks, and page breaks exactly as they appear in your editor, and they save you the effort of opening the print dialog. Prefer a browser-based approach that works on any device? You can use a reputable online PDF converter. Visit a trusted site that offers PDF conversion tools, upload your file, let the site process it, and then download the resulting PDF. This is handy when you're on a shared computer or a mobile device. As a best practice, avoid uploading sensitive or confidential documents to online services and delete files from the site when you're done if that option is available. Here's a simple rule to remember. If you see a print option, you can usually save as a PDF. Many apps and web browsers route the print command to a virtual PDF printer, which makes conversion just a couple of clicks away. So whether you use the print dialog on Windows, export directly from Word or Google Docs, or rely on an online converter, you now have fast, dependable ways to turn almost any file into a PDF. No special app required. Try these methods with your next document and enjoy the convenience of a format that looks the same wherever you open it.